Hi everyone, here we've got WIEPPO S5 and let me show you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and let's tap on the settings. Here let's scroll down to the very bottom, and as you can see here we've got developer options. If you do not have it, no worries, simply go to About Phone, scroll down to the very bottom and find build number. Keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're a developer. As you can see, there's no need, you're already a developer, so let's get back and let's enter developer options. And as you can see here, we've got a lot of advanced options which we can customize. For example, you can don't keep activities, so your device will destroy every activity as soon as the user leaves it. Or for example, you can strict mode enabled. And in order to activate the feature, simply tap on the switcher right next to it, and from now on your device won't keep any activities. To turn them off, simply click on the switcher again. If you cannot see the switcher, then simply tap on the option in order to show much more settings. So that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your WIEPPO S5. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.